Okay, so we'll get to this one. Take out one frame, which they've done nothing at. They're walking all over it, but they haven't made any comb yet. Okay. Second one, same. They're walking all over it, but not made any comb. Yeah?
Yeah.
Third one is starting to draw comb. Not on that one, but this one. Look how they're drawing there and filling with honey. And there, that is capped honey. See?
Yeah, that's exciting.
Lots of capped honey. This one, this one's got brood.
So that's the next generation, yeah?
Yeah, next generation of bees. Next one, some brood in the middle here, grubs, you can see them there.
Yeah.
And some honey here. And on the other side, again, some brood, you can see the grubs.
Yeah.
And then a frame here is just capped honey. Stores,
Nice.
lots of stores.
That's real positive.
Yeah, and then this one, again, they make in the middle. Yeah?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really, really positive. So I'll put these back in. I haven't seen the queen in there, and my worry is about disturbing the queen.
Oh, it's not masses of smoke.
No. Now we'll look at the next layer. I'm putting that, hopefully, on top of the queen excluder. So if the queen's in there, she can't get out.
She could come up, couldn't she?
She can't get under.
Oh.
So that is not made. This one again, they're drawing the comb out. You see
Yeah, you can see the little bits of the frameworks.
They're making it bigger. This one, again, drawing it out a lot, and there's a lot of capped honey.
Yeah. And this is all the honey that's going to last them through the winter, isn't it?
Yeah. This one, full of brood. Keep an eye out for the queen if you see her.
Yeah. And she's got a blue dot on her in this hive, hasn't she?
Yeah. A lot of...
They all seem quite content. It's quite cold today, isn't it?
capped brood.
Oh, disturbed a few then.
There, a lot of capped brood again. Some honey around the sides. Lots of capped brood. A lot of bees.
Mm.
A lot of capped brood. This one's full of honey. And this one, they're drawing it out but not filled it yet.
Is this a drone in the middle here? That looks bigger than the others.
Don't think so. I can't see which one you're pointing at. Now then.
Queen didn't jump out.
No.
Oh, hang on. I've seen her. I've seen her there. Look, she's there.
Yeah, she's there. So queen is there, well spotted. So queen is on the bottom.
That fleck of blue makes all the difference, you know.
Yeah.
It does just stand out.
So they have, just can't remember. The queen's in the bottom box.
Yeah.
I think I said we were making some brood in this one, didn't we?
Yes, you did.
The middle ones of these have got some brood as well.
Yeah.
We're putting the queen excluder on.
So that in the top they can just make honey.
We're putting this back on so that they can just make honey. Now I haven't had any of these out yet, have I?
No, I think you were taking it all apart when.
Now these are very, very stuck.
So obviously the queen is the one that makes the brood. So all that brood that we've just seen, the queen's been super duper busy, hasn't she?
Yeah. Now this one is the one we harvested, and hopefully.
So you've already had all this out. So is this all new honeycomb and stuff?
No, it should
all
be
this
clean.
Frame. Right. Okay.
Now I don't know if they'll put any, or whether they've just cleaned it all out. If they've just cleaned it all out, we'll perhaps ought to be thinking soon of taking it off and pushing them down into the others.
You say they would clean it out?
But they do clean it out.
So they would clean it out and move it down, yeah. So they'd just leave the empty hex cells, yeah?
Yeah, which it looks like they've done. It does look really
it's a
clean.
bit dark in the bottom of that. Is that because it's older, or?
No, it does look spotlessly clean, doesn't it? Sorry, it's spotless, isn't it?
Yeah. So not today, but maybe one day this week or next week, you would come down and move them down. How would you do that?
Knock them off.
Literally just take each frame out, knock them off,
Just spotless.
and encourage them to move down. And then you can
Take this off.
take this off, and then that condenses them for hibernation for the winter.
Yeah. They have cleaned it up well, but then we've got to find somewhere to put it. Now what a lot of people do is put them in a fridge, because that way it kills anything that's on, or freezer even, kills any bacteria or anything that's on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's in perfect condition. In my opinion, that's perfect.
Happy bees. Yes, we've well and truly upset them. The proper buzzy.
But they're still coming up to fetch this, you see. We've moved this down.
So is this empty again? Yeah, they've drained it.
Yeah. So that one's filling up.
So they're taking all this in and using this to help make the honey and stuff.
They're
aren't
making the comb with this.
they? Oh, okay.
We pushed them up. It's really full, isn't it?
Yeah.